If your thermostat won't switch from heat to cool automatically like it's supposed to, you're not alone. This issue can be super frustrating when you want your home comfy without messing with settings all the time. So, first off, try resetting your thermostat by turning it off, waiting like 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Sometimes that little reboot fixes the glitch. Next, check if your thermostat is set to auto mode, because if it's stuck on heat or cool, it won't switch itself. Make sure the batteries are fresh if your thermostat uses them, because weak batteries can cause weird behavior. Also, look at the wiring. Loose or damaged wires can mess with the switching function. If you have a smart thermostat, check for software updates or reset it through the app. Another thing is to verify your temperature settings. If your heat and cool set points are too close, the system might not switch properly. If all else fails, replacing the thermostat might be the way to go, since sometimes the internal components just wear out after a while. One of the biggest mistakes people make when their thermostat won't switch between heating and cooling automatically is ignoring the power source. Dead batteries or a tripped breaker can stop everything cold. Fix it by swapping batteries or resetting the breaker panel. Simple as that. Another common problem is incorrect wiring during installation or DIY fixes. That can totally confuse the thermostat's auto mode. Double check the wiring against your model's manual or call a pro to sort it out. Lastly, some folks forget to update their smart thermostat software, which can cause bugs affecting auto switching. Keep that app updated and restart the device regularly to dodge these issues. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. At the same time, it helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who need their skills without all the hassle.